Hey guys, Maximus the Fourth here. So I am right now currently cutting wood, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get a chainsaw that is stuck inside a log out. First, let me show you exactly what I'm up against. Okay, my chainsaw is stuck in this log, and the last thing you want to do is try to pull it out. Just take a nice look at that. It's pretty jammed in there, and not a good idea to pull it out. Instead, what you want to do is you want to cut it out by using another chainsaw. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the next targeted piece that I was going to cut. Logs can be tricky because when you're dealing with them and you don't have any airspace, especially on some of the ends, the lower you cut, the more pressure there will cause for the saw to be stuck, depending on where they're positioned. And in this case, there was no airspace underneath this log. So it's very common to get a saw completely stuck in a log. But the last thing you ever want to do is yank it out, because you can bend the bar, you can ruin the chain, and you can also jack up the tension screw. And what the tension screw does is it helps tighten and loosen the chain. It all around just helps regulate the chain. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cut your chainsaw out without destroying it. If you just take a look right here, you can see the chainsaw is stuck. Instead of trying to yank it out, I'm going to cut the next targeted piece. And luckily, there is airspace underneath. So it's going to be smarter in this case for me to cut underneath the log instead of on top, because when the pressure is going down, it's better to cut from the bottom up. And honestly, with a lot of these logs where there's zero airspace, it might be better for you to dig a hole deep enough to where that saw can fit completely underneath the log when you're making your next cut. So let's get this cut done and over with. And that is how you cut out your chainsaw that is stuck without pulling it and completely ruining it.